Every year that I've been coming to ICNA, wallahi, it gets better and better and sweeter and sweeter. A proud, patriotic, Sharia practicing American. I said, yes, that's my topic. And they just stopped because they couldn't believe I'd be talking. The title is problematic no matter which phrase you look at. And yet I stand by each and every word. A proud, patriotic, Sharia practicing American. We were born here, and this is our land. I have been raised in this culture. I have imbibed this environment, the thought process, the language, the education. And there's no question that I have a cultural attachment to this homeland. There's no question that I have a sense of, yes, pride for being a part of this land, for learning what I've learned, for having grown up here. For me, brothers and sisters, for me, home is not where my grandfather came from. It is where my grandchildren are going to be buried. And for me, this land is my home. Believe you me, we have made up our minds that this is our land. And the quicker we embrace it, the faster we can move on to building real infrastructure, to helping the real concerns of our communities. This is now our land. For me, patriotism is to have a sense of loyalty to my country and to want good for my country. Not only is it legitimate, it is obligatory for every Muslim to be a patriotic Muslim in whatever land he lives in. Being patriotic is in fact something our religion would encourage, as long as it is done in the proper manner. And I have no qualms using this word when I describe myself. Yes, wallahi, I have a sense of pride in this land. The truth of the matter is that the reason why this is the most powerful on earth is because it does have a system, it does have a value, it honors the oppressed in many ways. Our job in this world, what Allah created us to do, is to be a part of our society, to be a part of our people, to be a part of our culture. It is this Sharia that you want to ban that commands me to be a law-abiding, patriotic citizen. We as Muslims, as American Muslims, as proud and patriotic American Muslims, we will continue to stand up for the truth. We will continue to preach the haqq. We will continue to demand justice. We will continue to defend the oppressed. We will continue to stand up for the weak. We will continue to live moral lives. And we will continue to be God-fearing citizens of the land that we have lived in. This is what our Lord requires of us. This is what our religion asks of us. This is what our Sharia demands of us.
Well, this is what I call a party.
And this is what we will continue to do, bi-idhnillahi ta'ala, until the day that we meet our Lord.